What's up, guys? Just wanted to do a follow-up video on the issue I was having with my steering being crooked. I can't really show you now, but I was going to give you an example of how it looked if you haven't checked out my first video on it. So it was slightly crooked to the right when driving straight, and I actually had to go to Toyota 4 times before the issue was solved. And the reason why it took so many times is when I actually saw most of the mechanics walking out of the Toyota garage, they were all pretty young. I mean, early 20s, maybe look 19. Probably getting fresh out of whatever school they went to. And yeah, I don't want to, put negative comments or negativity toward them just because they're young. But as soon as they requested one of the older mechanics, this guy was like maybe 50 something years old, he got it fixed within 15 minutes. I kid you not. Within 15 minutes, he got it perfectly straight. And I just really want to thank that guy because he relieved me of some stress that I was going through. So, yeah, went to the dealership 4 times. 2 times on a Thursday, I think it was, and then 2 times on a Saturday. And I'm just glad it's taken care of, So my truck's driving straight, perfect, and that's pretty much it. I mean, I wish that it would have gotten taken care of the first time, but it is what it is. So on that note, this is my follow-up video on my crooked steering issue. So yeah, all right, guys, that's it.